Up. Yeah. Okay, today is February 24th, 2015. Tuesday, February 24th, 2015. Get down over here. Come on. Gotta go. Get your foot in. Come on, get your foot in. Let's go. Alright, what don't we do?
We don't do alcohol, don't do cigarettes.
Yes, but why don't we do those?
Because they're bad for you, and like you could die and your lungs get all nasty.
That's right. Who are our heroes?
Veterans and
police officers, firefighters.
Everyone in wars.
No, well, the people that help out. The people that sacrifice themselves. People that go out, be out the ordinary. You know, people that invent things to make humanity better. Stand up. Okay, like me, I think Benjamin Franklin will be a hero. Stand up. Let's see him.
Benjamin Franklin.
Okay, let me see him. Hey. Now, what? Okay. Remember, your teachers love you very, very much, okay? And so do all your friends and daddy's friends and everything else. Remember, Mommy and Gabby love you. Grandma loves you. Poppy loves you. Megan loves you. Marilia loves you. Spud loves you.
Who's Spud?
What's in Megan's oven? The baby. That's not born yet. We're going to call it Spud.
No! Fudge.
Fudge. Okay, we'll call it Fudge. Okay, remember, Maddie and Braden, they love you, okay? Don't forget, your Grandpa Jansen loves you with his entire heart. Ann, Liam, River, Santee, Jude, they all love you with their entire heart. Okay, don't forget Sister Florence. Don't forget Terry and Brent and Rich.
And you.
And Jenny and Michael Gully and all of our friends. Don't forget everybody on Fishing for Freedom, everywhere like Mindy and Glenn. Okay? And don't forget the Chandlers behind us and everything else, okay? Hey, Jenny said we can go ice skating at her house sometime if it's cold enough.
Yes!
Okay, so, hey, but look at me, okay? You gotta be a good girl. And remember, most of all, you never hurt anybody, ever, okay? You don't bite, we don't kick, we don't scream. I don't care what Daddy teaches you, we don't hurt anybody. And if somebody hurts you, you go tell the teacher. Somebody touches you, go tell the teacher, okay?
If somebody takes
If somebody offers you something, somebody takes your stuff, you go tell the teacher that we keep no secrets. Even if somebody says, oh, can you keep this a secret, you still come back and tell, okay? But most of all, Gracie, look at me, please. Look at me. You looking? Blue eyes, are you looking? I love you, and I'm proud of you. And there's nothing in this world that I wouldn't do to make sure you're happy and safe, okay? Can you remember that I'm proud of you and I love you? And you're my little girl and always will be? Okay? I do love you, okay? Come here, give me a kiss. Come here, Squirt. You know I love you. Don't ever forget how much Daddy loves you, okay? And remember, cherish every day. Come here, look at me, Cherish every day, okay? Give me a kiss. Quit being weird. All right, we gotta go.
Ow. What's that string?